Oh, yes, I was just looking at the breach of trust between myself and those that are in law enforcement. Then the treachery, yes, of wanting to cover up your crime. The disloyalty to the United States of America. That you'd have no allegiance other than the Constitution of this great nation. And then there's that breach of trust or breach of confidence. Now, when I document on Facebook that I'm emailing those in office about the breach of confidence, that you're disloyal to the actual laws of the United States, and you issue court orders where I told you that I was not given personal service, and you have this fucked up way of thinking, well, just motion the court. You didn't give me any court notice. Now, I have no jurisdiction to motion a court that did not give me notice and opportunity to be heard. Do you not understand jurisdiction? Don't you understand what jurisdiction is? If there's no notice to the respondent, then there's no way that I can motion a fucking court. Now, these perjurious statements on that court order, did you decide you're going to remove it today, or are you going to continue to allow those in the family to get paid to interfere with my right to report domestic violence? Now, I've mentioned kidnapping, as in the PKPA. And you issued a court order in 2011 when I wasn't a resident and I did not get actual notice and the opportunity to be heard. Now, this disloyalty to the United States of America, the treachery of knowing that you had an obligation to remove the court order so that I could have my sons, and instead you decided to arrest me for the allegation of a crime in Sequim, Washington, when I had the evidence that I wasn't there. And then you did it again in 2017, where you had the evidence I wasn't there. Now, there seems to be some sort of problem today about perfidy, Pooch, that you do not have to be honest as judges and justices of the United States, and there's no way that I'm ever going to be able to sue you for everything you own. Now, this disloyalty, we can't have that, can we, Pooch? These sworn oaths of office that swore that they would support and defend the Constitution of this nation. And for some reason, nobody seems to understand that when you issue a permanent court order for child support and custody without me having any notice, it happens to be perjury to say that... Now, I'm going to want to have my family today. I don't really want to sleep on another floor, Pooch. I want to reside in a hotel room with my 5 sons, and I want to speak to that woman, Marilyn Van Proyen, where my sister was holding Legina in a picture that was printed in a Rotarian newsletter.